Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to connect and attach mouth piercings, angel fangs, whatever, snake bites, to VRCHAT in Blender. Basically all this does is it makes the mouth and the piercings move together, so whenever you speak, it looks like, it looks like this. Piercings move with the mouth. Okay. First thing you're going to do, but I can't do this because I've already done this, and to make sure that everything goes well, I have to just tell you. What you would do is you would click on here, click the dimple, do the dolly now, and you go this, and then right click and join. Then you would go from object to here, which is the data, which is the shape keys, and you're going to go through and every single one, like I've already done this one and this one. I think the only one I haven't done, I've done that one too, is this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this all the way up, put the value all the way up, and you're going to click edit, and it's going to highlight the mouth piercings, and you're going to move these up like this and position them how you want them to be, like so. Then you're going to go out of edit mode, and you'll see whenever you turn it up, and then whatever, it moves with the mouth. Now you're going to go through and do all of these with it, and then it'll work.